Welcome to another video from Digital Dovetail. In this video you are going to set up your design so it will be ready to be engraved on transparent fluorescent acrylic. If you have text or a design that can only go one way, it will need to be mirrored on the engraving side so it appears correct on the flat side, which gives the best effect. Now the first stage is to create an engraving template box. Now it has to be the same size as the opening of the frame. The opening of the frame is 170mm by 120mm. So we're going to click on the rectangle tool, draw a box. That's the actual measurement down there. So I'm going to go to Shape, Properties, change that to 170 by 120mm. Okay. Now this has to go in the bottom left hand corner, which is the same origin points as the engraver is set up to. So it's 0, 0 on the XY axis down here. I'm going to go View, Snap to Grid and get it perfectly in there. Now even if you want your design, your drawing to be in portrait, it has to be in this landscape position for the engraver, so we would have to rotate this around. But first I'm going to put in the corresponding text. So I'm going to click on the A, and go Shape, Properties, change the font. Okay, just going to make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. Shift key. Now we're going to engrave on one side, but it's going to be viewed from the other side so that you can't feel the engraving or see the engraving as a texture. It's going to be smooth, so we want to engrave on one side, and because of that, any writing we're going to have to mirror. It's going to go Shape, Mirror. Now it's back to front, but if you view it from the other side it will look perfect. We're going to mirror this as well. Shape, Mirror. I'm going to go Fill it back in. Now these both have to be rotated. Click on there, click on the corner, we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. 83, 91, 90, there it is, 90 degrees. And do the face as well. Edit, undo. Having trouble clicking into that corner. There we go, finally. A little bit temperamental. I'm going to change this to red, Shape, Properties, red, because we don't want to engrave that template box. But I'm going to put my meme face inside it there, and then my text. So we'll enlarge this. Shift key. Make them a little bit bigger. Bring in my text. That will have to be smaller. Zoom in. Not that far though. Centralize things using the grid to help me. That looks good. Do a file, save as. That's fine. So now that's ready to engrave. I could fill this in as well, or I could leave it blank. Either or. I myself think it looks better in this case unfilled. So that's ready to engrave. And when it's viewed from the smooth side, from this opposite side to where we're going to engrave through the acrylic, that is going to be the right way around.
Thanks for watching another video by Digital Dovetail. Like and subscribe.